Pikachu. I'm going to show you how to create a real life Pikachu using AI. The image of Pikachu that you saw at the start of this video, I created using everything that I'm about to show you, so that you will be able to do the same once you watch this video through until the end. But before we dive in and I show you how this is done step by step, I'd like to ask you for a favor. Press that subscribe button, because over 98% of you are not yet subscribed and you're enjoying the videos and the content. Smash subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's dive in and let's show you how to create a real life Pikachu picture and image today. Let's go. Launch. The AI we are going to use to create our real life Pikachu pictures and images is Leonardo AI, and you can see how it's spelt right here. This is the logo for Leonardo AI. Once you're here, you can sign up for a free account. Once you've signed up for a free account, you can select Launch App from this button in the top right. As you can see, we're now logging into Leonardo AI. This is what you will be greeted with on the home page. Now this might look a little bit confusing, but don't worry, I'm going to take you through step by step with a very easy method on how to do this, keeping things nice and simple. If you scroll down on this home page, you will see creations by others in the community. You can use this as a starting point for your real life Pikachu. This is how you can get started right now as a beginner, and remember, Leonardo AI is free. So let's select one of these to create our Pikachu. There's an AI image of a cat right here. I like that. I'm going to click it. Here you get a lot of information. It's letting us know what was used by the creator. So this is the sentence that they've given to the AI to create it. You can copy this prompt, and you can also generate with this model. So all of this information right here, the seed, the resolution, all of this that might seem a little bit confusing, including the type of AI model that has been used, you can ignore this and you can select prompt details right here where you can copy the prompt. So I've just selected that. Then you can select generate with this model. So we're going to use all of this to generate our Pikachu. Now we're using the correct AI model. As you can see, I've been already testing out this AI already. At the top of the screen, right here is what you need to write in order for the AI to know what it should create. I'm going to select this box. I'm going to delete this from what I've used before, because this wasn't part of the plan and that didn't need to be there. It should be empty, or should say what should the AI create. Right here, I'm just going to paste in the message that we had before. And instead of cat, I'm just going to change it to Pikachu. And any pieces of information that I do not want, I'm not going to leave there. So in this case, this prompt isn't really going to help us too much. This sentence doesn't describe the Pikachu I want to create. So in this case, I'm going to say Pikachu in a kitchen. Here, we're going to generate the image. But there's a few things you might want to pay attention to so that you can save those credits, because you use credits to create the image. We're currently on the free plan, so you get 150 coins for free. If I generate 4 images, because if I create Pikachu in a kitchen 4 times, using this AI model that we've just now entered, it will use 14 coins, or 14 credits. But we can still make a few more changes. For example, the size of the image. You can see the shapes that are given to give you an idea of what these sizes are. A 1x1 is a square-like shape. 2x3 is more of a vertical rectangle shape. 16x9 is more of a full screen image shape. So I'm going to select 16x9 right now. This is going to make it 1280 by 720. As a beginner, you might not know what that means. So just take it from me, this means full screen. It means that it's a normal full screen. Imagine it like a 720p video. That's the size of the image we're going to create now as a result of us selecting 16x9. Although you can make a few more changes, like changing the preset style and so on, If you want it similar to what you have seen on the homepage, keep it exactly as it is. We're going to keep this nice and simple. Let's see what the AI creates here. So with everything now changed to my liking, also you can take down the amount of images that are created, but if you're on the free plan, you have to create 4. So you have to use this amount of credits. But if you're paying for Leonardo AI, you can make more changes. Let's keep it simple for now, and let's select generate. So it's going to use 14 of my 150 coins. You can see it now reflecting because the images are now being generated. We've used some of those coins to generate our Pikachu images. Let's see exactly what's created here from Leonardo AI. You've just used AI with a very simple prompt to create a real life Pikachu. And look at these images of Pikachu. They're actually they've came out a lot better than I thought they would. That is a very good image, right? So these images you can now download and use however you see fit. In the bottom left hand corner, you can see download image. So I'm going to download that straight away without making any changes. I'm going to download all 4 of those images. We now have 4 images of Pikachu in a kitchen with lighting, glare, fur, and you can also take a closer look. Look at this image of Pikachu. That is absolutely amazing. You can see the fur bouncing off. That is I'm really impressed with how this Pikachu has turned out already. So you already know from the beginning of the video when you saw this image exactly how amazing this is. We've just done this within seconds, created real life Pikachu sitting in a kitchen with glare lighting bouncing off it. You can see the different textures in Pikachu's eyes. That is a pretty good image for free that we've just created with AI. And we've just shown you, well, I've just shown you how to do that in a very easy way and for free. This is something you can do today. This one's absolutely brilliant as well. There is more you can do to the image, of course. For example, you can remove the background, which will cost you 2 additional credits. So it will try to recognize what the main subject is and then remove things in the background. Occasionally, if you're creating something like Pikachu, which is very popular, very recognized, the AI will know or reference what Pikachu is and try to recreate it. In this case, Pikachu is one of the most popular Pokemon in the world. So of course, it's very recognized. Children, adults all know who Pikachu is. Right here, you can see there is a deficiency in the image. So it's tried to create an extra bit of a tail, which is not what Pikachu has. So there is something right here that isn't recognizable to part of Pikachu. It's just a part of Pikachu that it's tried to generate and just gone in the opposite direction. So occasionally you might have issues like that, but you do have 4 images at a time. I also did this a few times to create different Pikachus in a garden. So you could do the same today. Look at that expression on Pikachu's face right there. It really does look like Detective Pikachu just without the hat. So check that out. That quality is absolutely amazing and you can do this today. I really like this one, to be honest. That's a nice image as well. We will be using them for the thumbnail. Don't forget, there's more where this came from. Click on the video that you can see on screen and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.